Okay, guys, so here we have a trinomial, but first thing you always do when you're factoring is see if they have a GCF. So if you look first, 5 goes into all three of these coefficients. So the first thing I'm going to do is take that 5 out. Then if you look, we have t to the 5th, t to the 4th, and t to the 3rd. So they all have t cubed. You always take out the lowest exponent. So we take out 5t to the 3rd. And then we're going to see what we have left. So we took out 5 and then 3 t's out of the first one. That leaves us with 2 t's, so t squared. 35 divided by 5 is 7. We had 4 t's. We're taking out 3, so we just have a t. Plus 60 divided by 5 is 12. And then we had 3 t's and we took all 3 out, so that's all there. Now, just because you took out a GCF does not mean you're done. You're going to copy down the GCF, and then we're going to look at this trinomial and see if we can factor it. So, first of all, to get t squared, we know we need t and t. Then we're trying to figure out two numbers that multiply to give us 12, and at the same time, that same pair of numbers adds up to that middle number, which is a negative 7. So to get 12, we know we could use 2 and 6, and 3 and 4, and 1 and 12. The only pair of those that's going to give us 7 somehow is this 3 and 4. But if they're both positive, that doesn't add up to a negative 7. If we just make one of them negative, that still doesn't work. If we make both of them negative, then negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7. So those are the two numbers that we need, negative 3 and negative 4, and then that is your answer.